All right, boys and girls, we're going to do a missing parts lesson for your math. I'm going to show you two different ways that you could solve these problems. On your page today, they're all going to start with the number 10. That's going to be your whole number, and then you have to figure out which two parts or two numbers will equal 10. So if you have something like this, so it gives you 10 is the whole thing that you have. And then you know that take away something, we don't know that yet, is going to be 7. So I'm going to show you how to do this first on the number line, and that might be the easier way for you to do it. So let's do it like this. So we know that we start at 10. So I put a dot on the number line on 10. And so I need to see how many I'm going to go backwards to get to 7, and that's going to give me that missing part right there. So let's make sure we count our jumps. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. Oh, I realize I'm already at 7. So I did 3 jumps. So my missing part would be 3. Let me show you another one. I'm just going to erase my numbers and my hops. So if I did something like this, I would say 10 take away what number, what part is missing equals, let's say, 2 this time. So I'm going to start at 10 because that's my first number, my whole number, and I needed to see how many hops, what's my missing number, how many hops until I get to the number 2. So let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I'm at the number 2. So it took me 8 hops. So that's my missing number. So 10 take away 8 is 2. All right, another way we can do this is if you have your whiteboard, you can do this with me. Instead of using the number line, I'm going to be using the 10 frame since we're using the number 10. So I draw a rectangle, I draw a middle line, and now I'm going to draw some lines down to equal boxes, and when I'm done, I should make sure that I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to put circles in each one to say that there are 10 items in my 10 frame. And if I have the problem down here again, and I'm going to have a missing number again, and then this time we're going to say equals 4. All right, so if I start with 10 and I take away how many, I'm going to be left with 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 4. How many here did I need to take away to be left with the answer of 4? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my missing number was 6. 10 take away 6 is 4. So you can try that again, trying to just erase some of my circle here so I can try a different problem. Let's go ahead and erase this one and this one because we're always starting with 10 right now. Let's say we're going to start with 10, and this time I'm going to end up with 1. So how many did I take away from 10 to only have 1 left? So here's my 1 that's left. How many did I have to take away to be left with 1 right here? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I took away 9, and I was left with 1. All right, boys and girls, have a great day.